What's up today, YouTube? Today we have the '05 Power Wagon in the shop. The guy has an issue with the blower motor not working. He's replaced the ignition switch. He's replaced the HVAC module. He has replaced the blower motor, the blower motor resistor, the fuse, the relay, everything. And come to find out, I tore this thing apart. Didn't have any power coming out of the blue wire down there. Found out that somebody had tried to wire his amp into his ignition circuit. So that's what happens when you plug the wrong thing into the wrong circuit. Don't do that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, in other news and business today, we have the Icon Vehicle Dynamics leveling kit. It's a 2.5-inch coilover kit for an F-150. It's going on a 2013. We did go ahead and get the UCAs, upper control arms with the uniballs in them. Here's all of our bushings, stickers, all that kind of jazz. So, shocks for the rear and the coilovers. So, we're going to get some time lapse of that beauty going in today. That's gonna be fun. So we're gonna jump into this project and get rolling with today. All right, so it's up on the lift. First thing we're gonna do is buzz the front tires off. We're also gonna take the rear, because we're just going to do an alignment, or not an alignment, a tire rotation while we're at it. This thing just recently got new bumper on it. We did Rhino rack last year with the blacked out LED bar. It's got a new LED bar now, right here with the new bumper. So he's pretty excited about that. Gonna have to wire in the fog lights to something. Might put some LED pods right in here. Not sure yet. We'll figure that out. But then we'll go ahead and get the the UCAs off. Get the struts out. Get the old leveling kit out, and go ahead and get a roll on this thing. So it's gonna be a fun project. Kind of excited about this one. Well, as you can see, guys, we have the focus. Jeez. As you can see, we got the bolts out of the strut. We took the tie rod end off. I loosened up the sway bar down there just because the one arm being still connected is preventing this arm from sliding down. Hence the sway bar. Anyway, I ended up having to cut that off. As you can see in the time lapse, I'm about ready to buzz these bolts out of here, and then we're going to go ahead and put in the new strut. There's the old strut. You can see the leveling kit on top. So here's the new strut for this is the driver's side, so this is the one that'll go back in where we just took it out. So we're going to go ahead and get the old UCAs out and get the new ones in.